Okay, so look who we found.
Hey guys.
We found it is the Funtimes cosplay crew. Yes, Spidey on Facebook. So you've seen him on our page. He posts on our page. Here's his beautiful wife. Hello, my darling. I love your outfit. Holy mackerel, you look good. Can I borrow that? I mean, I just lost a lot of weight. I could probably pull that off now.
Everything on here in your closet.
Oh.
That is how I put this together.
I don't think I have any of that in my closet.
This was in my closet.
Really? Well, you have a fantastic closet there, my darling. But look at this. You guys look fantastic.
Ready?
Yeah.
Come on down, come see us, come see Rat Stash, all of us, Funtimes, and Lehigh Valley Power Rangers. We're all in the same team.
I know, this is so great. And you guys are right in the front. As soon as we walk in, we were excited last night when we saw your tables. I was like, oh, they're right here by us.
That's awesome.
So this is so exciting. There's a really long line outside too, so I hope you guys are ready. Hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys book some. I'm going to show this because you guys can book you as a party for the parties. So I'm going to show your stuff here so you can book them for parties. But look at all the cool costumes they do. Now they're not just do these costumes. You do all different kinds.
We have about 30 different cosplays.
I was going to say, I know you were. What was he? Was all in what? You were all in white.
Mr. Knight.
Mr. Knight, that's it.
Zatanna.
And Santana, yeah, I know. You took my costume. That's what I liked, Santana. I like that one, yeah. But yeah, this is exciting. So here is their SKUs. So definitely look here at their SKUs. But here is also their card. So you can definitely check them out. All right, well, we better get going because they're going to open the door in a few moments.
That's right.
Perfect. Let's
Come on
party.
down, guys. Come on down.
Let's party.